Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and good morning, my dear students. uh, Today I am not feeling well, so I am trying to take the class using PowerPoint. So bear with me, and let me continue. Uh, Yesterday we were discussing about chapter test of polynomials. We have discussed till section C, first problem, right? So in the second problem, this is the second problem. For a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 0 and -9. So what is the general standard form of quadratic polynomial? For quadratic polynomial, what is the general form? So it is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, right? So what is given, my dear students? Given sum of zeros is equal to 0 and product of zeros is equal to -9. So now quadratic polynomial is equal to p of x is equal to x square minus sum, it is 0 into x, and the plus of what is product, -9. So that is equal to x square. 0 times anything is 0, so plus of minus is -9. Okay, this is our quadratic polynomial, and mashallah, you can understand from this. So x square is a perfect square and 9 is also a perfect square. So can you write like this? What is the identity? We know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, right? A plus b times a minus b. So therefore, this can be written as, therefore x square minus 9 can be written as x plus 3 times x minus 3, right, my dear students? And now in order to find zeros, what you are supposed to do? For zeros, what you are supposed to do? You have to equate p of x to 0. Is it right? So that implies x plus 3 times x minus 3 equals 0. When you equate a product of factors into 0, so either of the factors should be 0. That means now when you equate a plus 3, when you transpose, it will be -3, and -3 when you transpose, it will be +3. Understood? Now let us see the next problem. If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial 6x square minus 5x plus 1, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha square plus beta square. Okay, so it is alpha square and beta square, right, beta? So first find alpha beta of the given polynomial. What is the given polynomial? Given polynomial is equal to 6x square minus 5x plus 1. So in order to find the zeros of this polynomial, what you are supposed to do? Let us split it using the middle term. Split the middle term. So the product is 6, and we all know 2 3s are 6. It is positive 6. So if we multiply, we are getting positive. But if we add 2 plus 3, you will get 5. But it will be plus 5, right? So therefore, keep minus for both. So when we multiply minus into minus, it will get plus, and 2 3s are 6. So therefore, the middle term can be written as minus 2x minus 3x, right? Let us let us split the middle terms. That is equal to 6x square. Underneath 5x, middle term, you will write it as minus 2x minus 3x plus 1. So now, what is common in 6x square? Can you write 6x square as 2 into 3 into x and minus 2x? Second term. Okay, which is common? 2 is common, x is common. So into 1. So if I take a 2x common, what is left out? Here 3x, and then it is minus 1. Here in the second term, you have 3x plus 1. Literally you can see that terms are equal, but signs are different. Therefore take minus 1 as common. If I take minus 1 as common, it will be 3x minus 1. Okay, so that is equal to, now which is common here? 3x minus 1. So when you take it as common, what is left out? 2x minus 1. So in order to find the zeros, what you are supposed to do? For zeros we have to equate p of x to 0. So that implies 3x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So then what happens? Then what happens, my dear? That implies x is equal to 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2. So that implies alpha is equal to 1 by 3, beta equals 1 by 2. So you have to find a polynomial whose zeros are alpha square. So that implies alpha square is equal to 1 by 9 and beta square is equal to 1 by 4. So now the quadratic polynomial, okay, is equal to x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Let us find out sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means what? What are the zeros here? Alpha square plus beta square, right? So 1 by 9 plus 1 by 4. Since they are co-primes, I can take LCM. 4 ones are 4 plus 9 ones are 9 divided by 9 fours are 36. So that is equal to 13 by, sorry, 13 by 36. Now what is product of zeros? Product of zeros is equal to alpha square into beta square. So that is equal to 1 by 9 multiplied by 1 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 36. Now let us find out the polynomial in x with sum of zeros as 13 by 36 and product of zeros as 1 by 36. So what is the polynomial, my dear students? P of x is equal to x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. That is equal to x square minus sum of zeros means 13x by 36 plus product of zeros 1 by 36. So if I take LCM, 36x square minus 13x plus 1 and divided by 1 by 36, right? So you can write it. Understood, my dear students? Now find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are, this is 1 0 and this is another 0. So what is given, my dear students? Alpha is equal to 5 minus 3 root 2 and beta equals 5 plus 3 root 2. Okay, and in order to find polynomial, we have x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So let us find out sum of zeros, that is equal to alpha plus beta, that is equal to 5 minus 3 root 2 plus 5 plus 3 root 2. You can see that 5 plus 5 is 10, minus 3 root 2 and plus 3 root 2 gets cancelled. Now product of zeros is equal to alpha beta, that is equal to 5 minus 3 root 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 root 2. You can see that the first terms are same and second terms are same. So that is equal to 5 square a minus b into a plus b. So it can be written as 5 square minus 3 root 2 whole square, that is equal to 25 minus 3 square is 9 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 25 minus 18, that is equal to 7. Okay, product of zeros. So therefore now polynomial in x can be written as x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, that is equal to x square minus what is sum of zeros? 10x plus product of zeros 7. So this is our required quadratic polynomial. Understood? So now we have seen section C, and the next video we will see section D. Okay, please take care and practice now itself, and these are the important concepts, and let us see some of the case study problems also. Okay, in the next video. Take care.